Welcome to Jet Leads. In this video, I will show you a demo on how you can find new leads for your company instantly in a few clicks. The video will also cover how you can use LinkedIn automation to grow your network. And you can also search emails of single prospects by uploading basic information. To get started, please create a free trial account by registering on the Jet Leads website. Once you have logged in, you will see various tools in the dashboard. To start with, let us pick up Extract LinkedIn tool, which is a part of prospecting software. This tool will help you build an instant target audience contact list using LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Premium. The most interesting part of this tool is that it allows you to find tons of leads based on your target audience definition in a click. Once you click on the Extract LinkedIn link, you will be prompted to download a Chrome extension, which will be used to extract leads from LinkedIn. For example, let's create a list name with CMO in the United States. Once the list is created, go over the LinkedIn Sales Navigator and search the CMO in the United States. Once you activate the extension, select the list you want the contacts to be saved, and it will automatically start saving the contacts in the chosen list. Once the contacts are saved in the list, the tool will automatically start finding their emails from the internet. In a few minutes your list will be ready, and then you can extract the file for your ready use. Since the extraction process does not generate visits to LinkedIn profiles, you can get as many contacts as you want each time based on your search. You can see the list being extracted in the CSV form, and the output shows the email IDs of the contacts, full name, designation, company website, city, etc. By using keywords feature in Navigator smartly, you can find loads of targeted data as per your requirement. For example, if you want to find prospects interested in vegan subject, you can put this in the keyword section and select the country or city of your choice and download the leads. Other feature of this tool will help you in growing your LinkedIn network using automation. You can easily connect with a larger number of target audience much faster and generate more leads, more meetings, and more opportunities for your company. Now let us see how. You can create a filtered search using LinkedIn Premium or Sales Navigator, same as we did for the contacts download process. And then you can choose to invite target prospects to connect. You can also send them a nice message and define the number of profiles that needs to be reached out and a suitable interval between connection requests. For example, I will choose to send 10 people connection requests with a message along with an interval of 30 seconds. The tool also helps in creating visits to their profile without sending them connection requests and messages. This will make your profile visible to them, and all of this can be done using automation. Both these LinkedIn tools can be used to create more meetings and opportunities and increase your sales. Now moving on to the tool of Find Emails, which is a part of enrichment software. This tool will help you to find emails of current or ex-employees of the companies whom you would like to reach out as a part of a marketing campaign. You simply have to paste a list of companies or domain names here in this space. Give this list a name and select from the drop-down menu the number of contacts you want. You can also type in the designations whom you would like to connect with and then upload the list. This tool will now start finding contacts and emails. Once the search is completed, you can download the extracted results and clean the data list as per your requirement and use it for the campaigns you wish to run. You can see the list Now, let's move on to Build Emails software, which is a part of email discovery tool. This will help you to find emails of prospects you want to specifically reach out to. All you have to do is fill in the first name, last name and domain name in the example CSV format and upload it on the tool to start finding the email addresses of the desired contacts. Once the emails are found, you can download the file and use the leads for your lead generation campaign. You can also find a single contact email manually by feeding in the full name and domain of the individual. Also, we advise you to always data clean the extracted file. You can also verify email addresses using various email verification tools before running a lead generation campaign. This is to ensure elimination of emailing on junk email or non-functional email addresses, if any. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to share it with those who wish to extract thousands of leads at a click of a button and would benefit from our solution. For any queries, please feel free to email us at support@jetleads.io.